Did you know the ancestors of wolves were not wolves at all? Let's travel back 40 million years to discover their true origins. In North America lived Hesperocyon, a small fox-like predator. It is the earliest ancestor of wolves. With short legs and a long body, Hesperocyon chased small prey in the ancient forests. From Hesperocyon came Untold, a sleeker and faster hunter, closer to jackals. Untold spread across continents, laying the foundation for foxes and wolves alike. Around 2 million years ago, the first true wolves appeared with larger bodies and stronger jaws. They hunted not alone but in packs, mastering cooperation to bring down large prey. During the Ice Age, wolves developed thick fur and stamina, surviving extreme cold. These prehistoric wolves grew into giants, some larger than any wolf alive today. The dire wolf, Canis dirus, roamed the Americas heavier and stronger than modern wolves. Unlike modern grey wolves, dire wolves specialized in hunting massive Ice Age animals. But when mammoths and giant bison disappeared, so did the dire wolves. Grey wolves, however, adapted, smaller, faster, and able to hunt varied prey. They survived. Wolves spread across Europe, Asia, and North America, inhabiting tundras, forests, and mountains. Their adaptability made them one of the most successful predators on Earth. For tens of thousands of years, wolves lived alongside early humans. At first, they were rivals competing for the same prey on frozen plains. But over time, a unique partnership formed. Humans and wolves learned from each other. Some wolves became less fearful, following humans, feeding on scraps. These wolves were the first steps toward domestication, the ancestors of today's dogs. Dogs and wolves share a common ancestor, but wolves remained wild and untamed. In mythology, wolves became symbols of strength, cunning, and mystery. From Norse legends of Fenrir to Native American spirit guides, wolves shaped human imagination. Yet humans also feared wolves, hunting them as threats to livestock and settlements. In many regions, wolves were wiped out, pushed to extinction by human expansion. Still, wolves survived in remote areas Siberia, Alaska, the Himalayas. They remain incredibly adaptable, living in deserts, forests, tundras, and grasslands. Wolves communicate through howls, barks, and body language, the glue that holds packs together. Their hierarchy ensures cooperation, with an alpha pair leading the pack. Every member plays a role, from hunters to caretakers of pups. This social structure made wolves one of nature's most efficient hunters. Modern grey wolves have many subspecies: Arctic wolves, Eurasian wolves, and Mexican wolves. Each adapted to its environment from icy tundras to desert heat. Arctic wolves endure months of darkness and freezing winds, surviving in polar extremes. Eurasian wolves roam vast forests, while Mexican wolves adapt to dry, rocky lands. Despite their resilience, wolves today face human threats once again. Habitat loss, hunting, and fear continue to endanger wolf populations worldwide. But conservation efforts are bringing wolves back to places like Yellowstone National Park. The return of wolves restored balance, controlling deer populations and reviving ecosystems. This is called a trophic cascade, one predator reshaping an entire landscape. From tiny ancestors like Hesperocyon to the iconic grey wolf, the journey spans 40 million years. Wolves remind us that survival depends not on size or strength, but adaptability. They are hunters, symbols, and partners forever linked with human history. The story of wolves is still being written. Their survival depends on us. Will wolves remain masters of the wild or fade into memory?